Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Dream Cars. Ferrari, the iconic Italian luxury car manufacturer known for its precision engineering and high-performance sports cars, has taken a bold step into new territory with the launch of the 2026 Ferrari Purosangua. This marks Ferrari's entry into the world of high-performance SUVs, and it has certainly made an impact. With the Purosangua, Ferrari has melded its racing pedigree and luxurious design philosophy to create something entirely new, an ultra-exclusive high-performance SUV that still embodies the brand's spirit of speed and elegance. For decades, Ferrari's lineup has consisted of sports cars and grand tours that push the boundaries of speed, handling and design. The Purosangua, however, is different. It represents a break from tradition as Ferrari steps into the growing SUV segment, a category already dominated by competitors like Lamborghini Urus and Aston Martin DBX. The Purosangua design and performance are testament to Ferrari's commitment to blending innovation with its storied history. It is a vehicle that delivers on Ferrari's promise of unrivaled performance while still providing the luxury and versatility that SUV buyers expect. Ferrari's decision to build an SUV isn't just about competing in the market, it's about setting new benchmarks in this segment. Power and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Ferrari Purosangua lies a formidable power. The SUV is powered by AX's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, which generates an astonishing 725 horsepower and 50,028 pound-feet of torque. This engine, derived from Ferrari's legendary V12 found in its supercars, provides a thrilling driving experience, ensuring that the Purosangua delivers more than just utility and luxury. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.3 seconds, placing it firmly in super SUV territory. With the top speed approaching 190 miles per hour, the Purosangua can hold its own against sports cars in terms of sheer performance. Its all-wheel drive system and dynamic driving modes also enhance handling, allowing the SUV to perform with the agility of a sports car despite its higher ride height. For those who are concerned about Ferrari's commitment to sustainability, the Purosangua is expected to offer hybrid variants in the future, leveraging Ferrari's growing expertise in hybrid powertrains as seen in models like the SF90 Strato. Ferrari's design philosophy is deeply rooted in elegance, performance and aerodynamic efficiency. The Purosangua blends Ferrari's signature styling with the SUV's silhouette, creating a vehicle that is both striking and functional. Its aggressive front grille, sleek lines and muscular stands provide a sense of movement even when the car is stationary. The flowing curves, low roof line and wide rear end give the Purosangua's dynamic and athletic profile. Inside, the Purosangua is nothing short of luxurious. The cabin features high-end materials including leather, carbon fiber and polished aluminum. Ferrari has integrated cutting-edge technology while keeping the interior focused on the driving experience. A large digital display for the instrument cluster, a state-of-the-art infotainment system and ample space for passengers make the Purosangua comfortable yet performance-oriented. Ferrari has equipped it with advanced technology to ensure it delivers both performance and comfort. Sub features a sophisticated adaptive suspension system that can adjust to different driving conditions, ensuring a smooth ride on any surface. Ferrari's proprietary steering and braking systems have been designed for precise control even at high speeds. Also includes an array of driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and parking sensors, making it not only a thrilling vehicle to drive but also one that can be comfortably used on a daily basis. The interior is outfitted with cutting-edge infotainment and entertainment systems, providing connectivity with Apple Car's Android Auto and high-quality audio systems. Customization options abound, allowing customers to tailor the vehicle's finishes from Sigma materials to exterior colors, ensuring every Purosangua is a one-of-a-kind creation. Ferrari's SUV future. The Purosangua isn't just about the present, it's a glimpse into Ferrari's future. As the global automotive market continues to embrace SUVs, Ferrari has demonstrated that it can take its heritage of performance and innovation and apply it to this increasingly important segment. While the Purosangua is designed for versatility, prioritizes the driving experience, offering a level of performance that sets it apart from other luxury SUVs on the market. Represents a new frontier where performance, luxury and everyday usability coexist without compromise. It's a rare blend of practicality and prestige, and it's sure to become a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangua is a groundbreaking model that combines Ferrari's high-performance heritage with the rising demand for luxury SUVs. With its powerful V12 engine, striking design and cutting-edge technology, the Purosangua is set to redefine the super SUV segment. While it may be a departure from Ferrari's traditional offerings, the Purosangua still embodies the brand's core values: speed, performance and unparalleled craftsmanship. For Ferrari, the Purosangua marks an exciting new chapter, and it will undoubtedly continue to captivate automotive enthusiasts worldwide. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangua * marks the beginning of a new era in high-performance SUVs, combining Ferrari's legendary performance with the versatility and luxury of an SUV. With its stunning exterior design, this model continues Ferrari's tradition of blending aggressive styling with elegant lines. The Purosangua's interior is equally luxurious, featuring high-end materials and cutting-edge technology for the ultimate driving experience. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful engine capable of delivering exhilarating performance, making it a true Ferrari SUV. Whether for urban driving or off-road excursions, the Purosangua is engineered to deliver exceptional performance, handling, and comfort, redefining what an SUV can be in the Ferrari lineup. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like, share and subscribe into our channel. Dream Cars, see in the road.